Hey, and welcome back to my channel where I love doing DIY everything. And today I wanted to share this amazing face mask recipe, which includes rice and moringa. Now, the benefits of rice is that it reduces signs of aging, and also it helps to improve the skin tone and texture. And moringa is a good source of hydration for the skin. It also helps improve the elasticity and reduces inflammation. And with those two together, it is a bomb ass recipe, and that's why I am making it today, and I wanted to share the ingredients with you. Now, I use a half a cup of parboiled rice and 1 cup of water. I placed it in my pot and let it boil until the rice turned nice and tender and good enough for me to blend. Once it cooled down, I placed it into my blender cup along with a half of a cup of water, which is going to help our face mask turn into a nice consistency. I also added a half of a tablespoon of moringa powder. And I'm going to let this blend until it turns into a nice pasty consistency, good enough to spread on the skin. Now, here's a little FYI. It did not turn out as smooth as I wanted it to, and that's only because I use a parboiled rice. Now, if I would have used a different type of rice, it probably would be a little smoother, and that's okay because I decided to add another 1/4 cup of water just to give it another blend. And it still turned out, with the little rice pieces in there. And that's okay because it still works. Now I'm going to go ahead and place it into my container so that I can store it for up to 5 days. I also can freeze them in a ice tray and use them as needed, but they must be thawed out before using. And that is how simple it is to make this face mask. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post my next video. And also, it wouldn't be right if I didn't show you how I use this product. So stay tuned for this next clip. Ciao. This is what it should be. It just no. Oh my god, it's a face mask. Okay. It is so tight. Like, I feel like I just got some type of lift. Baby, it is super tight. This is the one. This is the one. This is it. Rice and moringa. Oh, ow. Time to wash it off. It was like a deep conditioning to the face. And that felt good. Now that's what I'm talking about.